Hi, my name's Corey Hardwick. I'm a General Manager here at BAI Communications. Now, we own, operate and maintain the largest broadcast network in Australia, providing radio and television services to 98% of Australia's population. Now, since 2016, we've been running a fantastic apprenticeship program, with some of those apprentices who have gone through that program moving into leadership roles, management roles, or becoming subject matter experts. Now, I want to hand over to some of those guys so that you can hear directly from them what their experience was like going through that program, or what it's like being in that program.
Hi, my name is Stephanie and I'm a broadcast technician based in Adelaide. I have been with the company for about 8 years now. I applied for my apprenticeship in 2018. At the end of 2021, I completed my 4-year apprenticeship in electronics and communications. This is because every day is different and there's actually no typical week. One week you could be doing annual maintenance on one side of the state, the following week you'd be on the other side helping with generator servicing, and the third week you can be on call where anything can happen. But yeah, if you're considering an apprenticeship with BAI Communications, please apply. You'll learn and borrow your skill sets, and you'll get the support of numerous people around the company.
Hi there, my name is Mitch McNeely. And not too long ago, I was exactly where you are right now. I'm the technical trainer here at BAI Communications. What you need is the willingness to show up and learn, because the people around you will take care of the rest. And the vast majority of what I know today was built right here on the job. And for the past 2 years, I've been working as the technical trainer. That is just one example of how an apprenticeship here at BAI can lead to a different career pathway. But it's not just about climbing the ladder. One of the things I liked the most about the job was the travel. Getting to visit some of the most remote and breathtaking parts of Australia that most people will never get to see. That kind of perk you don't find in most other trades. Don't overthink it. Just go for it. This is a place where your effort directly shapes your future. The people are incredible, the opportunities are real, and the career possibilities here are only limited by how much you're willing to put in. You could even be standing where I am one day, and all it takes is deciding to apply.
Hi everyone, my name is Kate and I'm a 4th year broadcast technician apprentice here at BAI. I didn't know what direction I wanted to go in after high school. My senior classes were a crazy mix of science, art, graphics, and home economics. The work I do here at BAI really scratches that creative lateral thinking itch I have whilst working through some technical challenges. I was lucky enough to work with our AM technical specialist and fix up and retune the ACU. A big highlight of this apprenticeship has to be the travel. One day you're out on the beach in Byron Bay, the next you're kicking up the red dirt out west. I'll soon be travelling down to Tasmania to work with the team down there, and I'm so excited. If you are considering an apprenticeship with BAI Communications, the best advice I can give you is to just go for it.
Hi, I'm John G. I'm the Corrective Maintenance Manager attached to the Service Management Centre here at our head office at 1 Denison Street in North Sydney. My role basically provides Level 2 engineering services and support to all of our national broadcast fully managed services. BAI is an amazing company to work for, and I've had some incredible opportunities over the years, working in both Melbourne, Brisbane, and now here in Sydney in our head office. Who knows what your journey here at the company will take, and the sorts of skills you'll develop over that time. So no matter what area of technology and communications you're interested in, BAI will have opportunities for you moving forward into the future, whether it's remaining in broadcast and working on FM and AM systems, or moving over into critical comms and supporting our P25 telcos and systems. You could also find yourself helping to assist with our Metro Trains division. The future is broad and expansive at BAI, and your career can take you into things you haven't even considered yet. Good luck, and I hope to see you out there somewhere in the network.
Hi, my name is Ben and I am a 3rd year broadcast technician apprentice based in Townsville. I started with BAI in 2024. What really stood out to me was the interesting nature of the work and the ability to travel as well. One of the things I love about being a broadcast tech is no 2 days are really ever the same. Annual maintenance runs throughout the year where we get to see sites all over the state. Thursday Island, and my favourite site's definitely Mount Belladin Curve, where you have to take a cable car up to the top. And you had some great views of the forest below and the reef out in the distance as well. If you're considering the apprenticeship program, I'd definitely say go for it. It's an interesting and unique opportunity that you wouldn't really get anywhere else.